today on how to put together your clarinet. I'm not putting the reed on, but I'll link in the description how to do that too. So take your barrel and your mouthpiece and you just kind of shove them together like that. Yep. Take your upper joint and your lower joint, stick them together like this, but make sure you don't crush that thing, the little bridge thing. Put your barrel on your lower joint, and you gotta center the logo that's on your bell, or I will haunt you. And then you slap your barrel onto the top part, and there you have it. How to put together a clarinet. I'm done.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.